In this video, we'll look into SQL question and answers part 20. Here, question 1 would be how many married males there? This is the table, employee table, Adventure Works 2017 Human Resources employee. Here we have this marital status, single, married, and gender here male and female. So we want how many married males are there. So there are total 290 rows. So in this, the total rows are 290. That will be useful for validation purposes to know whether we have correctly derived the query or not. So now we'll derive it. How many married males are there? These are the total number of records in the table. For how many married males are there, where we want gender is equal to male is M and marital status is equal to M, because for married it is M and for single it is M. So if we execute this, there are 97 married males. Go here, you get M and M and here both of the columns showing M. So there are 97, and then we'll say how many married females are there, and how many married females are there. We'll just copy this and marital status gender will change it to F. Execute. There are 49. Now how many singles are there? We can just find out from the same query, but we don't need gender because we just want total how many singles are there, whether it's male or female. So marital status is equal to S. Execute this. It is 144. So 144 plus that is a 100, 244 and plus 46. 244 plus 46 would be 290. So it will tally with the total number of records. So this is how we can calculate the number of males or females and using this logical operator AND. Next question would be, who is the oldest employee? Oldest employee. So here in this there is a birth date column here. So we can order this birth date column in ascending order and then pick up the first record that will give us the oldest employee. So let us take this query and then we will order by birth date. So we needn't say ascending because by default it is ascending. So order by birth date will give us the list in the ascending order, and then from that we need the first record, top one star. So if I execute this, here Stephen and North American sales manager and 1951 1070. So this is the oldest employee. You can as well derive it in another way. So let's take this from employee where birth date is equal to, we'll write a subquery here. Let's take the same query and then say minimum of birth date. So this will give us the min of birth date, minimum of birth date, and we are getting all the records where birth date is equal to, and this subquery will return us minimum of birth date. If I execute this, Stephen and North American sales manager and 1951 Telsa. So that's how we can arrive at this oldest employee. Next question is question 4. When is the first male hired? So let us check the table now, and let me execute this. Here for employee, when is the first male hired or employed? We have this hire date. So the first person hired, if we order this in ascending order, so we'll know the minimum hire date. Let us go that and order by hire date. So if I execute this, now we have this hire date 2006 started with, and 2007 2008. So it is in ascending order of the hire date, but we have to know whether it's male or female because we want the first male hire. So for that we have to say where gender is equal to male. So where clause comes before order by clause. So where gender is equal to male, order by hire date. Now if I execute this, we have this one, gender is equal to male, and we have ordered by hire date. So we want the first male. So the first male means we should say here top one star, then order by hire date. So first male would be guy 1, here 2006 630. So this is the record, business entity ID 28. This is the first male to be hired, and because we ordered it in hire date ascending order, we know this is the first record. That's how we can find out the first male hired. Next question would be, who is the youngest male hired? Select from Adventure Work 27 Human Resources Employee. Date diff. We want it in years, the age, youngest male. So the difference between birth date, the hire date will give us the age, years, YY, birthday, comma, hire date as age, where date diff, birth date. Let us first of all see till here. We got these ages, and here it will be distinct because here we are getting this repeated some of the ages. Execute distinct. Okay, select this part. So we got the ages, and now we'll just order by with this date diff. Execute this. So we are ordering by the age. This is the age. We are ordering by the age. Everything here. You can just show the gender also if you want, so that male or not. First, the question we want the youngest male. Execute. So we are getting females also here. So what we should do is where gender is equal to male. Now if I execute this, we get only males, and in the ascending order. So the youngest male height is at the age of 18. So you can say top one, and we know that we got only males here, so we can just remove this gender because we already seen where gender is equal to male. Now if we select this, so 18 is the youngest male height. So you can. If you like the video, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. For notifications on upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon.